village. So beautiful. Arrowhead Lake Inn is literally 5 minutes away from this beautiful place. All right, everybody, so we are done with the little tour over here at the village. It's during the week, so if you want to relax and less action, I definitely recommend you come during the week. If you want more action, then you come during the weekend. But we like to come and relax and just kind of disconnect. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Loving